Hey folks, how you doing? Hope you're well. Welcome to another video here on my channel. As you see, I've got a big rucksack on my back today. We're going to take a look at the kind of things I carry around with me when I'm doing camping or wild camping, stealth camping here in the UK during winter time. So yeah, let's get this off my back and take a quick look inside. Okay, before we get into this, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and perhaps consider subscribing as well. Okay, let's have a look, start with the rucksack, shall we? So it's a Technicals rucksack, which is one of Go Outdoors' own brands, and this is the Tibet 55 Plus. So it's a 55 litre rucksack. The tent I use is from Nature Hike. It's a Monga 2. I've also got some water bottles, one, and a second one down the other side. I've got good old dangle mug. Now if we start by looking what's in here at the front of the rucksack, some electrical bits and bobs. We've got a USB cable, a USB power bank from RAV Power. This has got a capacity of 16,750, and that's enough to last 3, possibly 4 days. Got a couple head torches. These are from Amaryl, again USB powered. So that's what's in the front there. Before we get inside, there's a top area in the bag where I have got some packer over trousers, so we'll take those out. I've also packed away in here a woolly hat to keep my head warm. I've got this snood, it's quite a thick winter one, and this one is from Nevica, N-E-V-I-C-A, really quite thick fleecy material. Turn the rucksack back round again, lift this over here. There's another pocket on the top side, and this unzips at the bottom, and inside there there's some food bits and bobs. So I've got some extra virgin olive oil, got some pilau rice, random cereal bar in there, top of the olive oil. I've got a titanium spork and a knife as well. I've got several sachets of coffee on the go, some Nescafe, and I've also got a couple packets of Quaker porridge oats. So that's the top of the bag done. Before I go inside, at the very bottom here, underneath, let's take this out. It's going inside the tent to go under the sleeping pad and the sleeping bag. And it's 3mm thick, soundproofing and insulating mat. So if I just take this out, and this should just slide out the top. So as you see, now it's quite thick material, and I've just got a bungee cord holding it in place. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. So it's held in top with just a duffel strap. So you pull that up and look inside, and there's actually, I don't know if you can tell very well, but there's loads of room in here, plenty of room. And at the very top, if I'm planning overnight somewhere, first thing I'll put in there is the tent. And again, that's the Monga from Nature Hike. It's a very dependable 1-2 person tent. It's my sleeping pad, and then a little bit further inside, I've got what's called an arrow ring. You plug it into the power bank, and it adds a bit of extra light. So that's just a bit of filming equipment. A tripod to go with that. And next up is there's like a sleeve down the side here. Things in here kind of go up against your back, but it's well padded. So if we have a look in there first, we've got the ground sheet. This comes separately just into the main body of the rucksack. Now we're taking a look at the stove system. So on the very top here, I've just got a couple of plastic bowls, and that's the piece which you connect to the canister. And inside there, it's from a company called Kugu, K-U-G-U, and again that was from Go Outdoors. You've got a big large canister in there. That's a C500 just hiding away. Rattles a little bit, so you can. What I've done in the past is put some loo roll around there and that's just stop it from rattling. Spade for that business. Of course, I've got a pillow with me as well. Or sometimes I might forego the pillow and make my own pillow out of bits and bobs that I carry with me, like dry bags and things like that. Some wipes. Towards the bottom is an OEX Evolution Fathom EV300, which is a season 3 sleeping bag. This has a comfort value of 1 degree Celsius. It has an extreme value of -22, a limit of -5. I tend to go with the comfort value. That's what I'm looking for, comfort. So what else? So we've got in the main section here. We have got, this is from, see it's rolled up, but this is a down jacket and that's from Outkit. So if the weather's going to be dry and it's not going to be rainy, I'll go with this packed away, and it's nice just in the morning if you need to go out. Down the side here, loo roll, and what else have we got? Yes, we've got a frying pan here. Let me just take this out. I've also got a bowl in here. I'll show you the foldable bowl first. Just opens up just like that, and that's from Sea to Summit. They come in various sizes, but this is okay for like having porridge in or something like that. And the actual frying pan itself, so you just hold on the side there, it's got a nice rubber grips on there. That's useful for doing all sorts of food like steaks, sausages, bacon, things like that. See what else is down here. Lots of different things hiding away. That goes in there, and the other one goes into the bottom of the table, and all you do is push it into the mud and you've got a nice little table to enjoy your coffee off in the morning. And yeah, it comes in really useful. It's the Quest stick table. It's a stick table. That's pretty useful, and this fabric on top here, it's a non-slip fabric, so you can pull whatever you want on there and it won't slide off. Just show you one thing as well, right at the very bottom of this rucksack, this particular one comes with a bright red rain cover as well. You can just put it all the way over the rucksack, stop everything inside getting wet. I've also got this bivy bag from Outkit. This is the honker. Comes in really useful if you just don't want to tend too long. Perhaps you don't want to take extra weight. For anyone that may not used a bivy bag before, basically it's just a cover for the sleeping bag, so it means I can take this instead of taking this big heavy thing as well. So depending on what adventure I'm going for, I might just go for a bivy bag instead. So that's my complete kit list for a winter wild camp here in the UK. Tebit 55 plus rucksack, comes really useful, lots of compartments, and around the back it's well padded, so you know it doesn't hurt your back. Down here as well, various straps, so you can adjustable straps, so you can get it nice and well positioned on your back. It's also got a gap running here as well, so you can put a bladder through it, so you've got some nice water on the move, so you'd have to keep going in and out. So there you are, folks, that's my stealth camping winter kit list. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've got any comments, if you do this kind of thing yourself, is there any sort of other items that you would not want to be without? Pop those down, comment down below this video. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.